How to install Ubuntu on VMware. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install Ubuntu on your VMware. Without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for Ubuntu. So after you search for Ubuntu, you will see its website. You can head over to this download option. You will see the download button here. Tap on it and you should be on Ubuntu. So after you're on this ubuntu.com/download, you will get two different options. One is the desktop, the other is the server. You'll also get other options as well, but we will just ignore that. And you'll see the desktop version for it. Tap on download Ubuntu desktop and it will take you to this page. Right here, you can see different versions of Ubuntu, the Ubuntu 24 LTS and the latest version that is Ubuntu 25. So from here, whichever you want to download, either the LTS or just your latest one, you can simply tap on this download option and the download process should begin. So after the download process begins and ends, as you can see, it's 5.9 GB. It should be on your downloads folder like this. After it's on your download folders, what you can do is start your VMware, open up your VMware workstation. An ISO file will be downloaded of your Ubuntu. And after you're on your VMware, just cross that. What you can do is you can tap on create a new virtual machine or tap on this file or and then choose new virtual machine and you'll see this pop up where you can tap on next. Then here you can select your option that was your ISO email that you just downloaded. So it should be on the downloads right here. Select this and tap on open. Then tap on next. Now you can name this Ubuntu. I'll just name it target. Do the same here. And again, here you can name it whatever you want. Make sure that you remember it. And then tap on next. After that, you can then again choose the location for your virtual machine. So I'll just tap on next. You can change the maximum disk size. It's completely up to you. Tap on next. You can customize the hardware from here. You can change how much RAM or virtual memory you want to give it. You can even change the processors and other stuff. Then tap on close after you're done with that. Then tap on finish. After you tap on finish, your Ubuntu machine will be added on your VMware and it should start booting up. And yeah, after that, you can start setting up your Ubuntu, and that's how you install Ubuntu on your VMware. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.